everyone! Today I want to show you the difference between pivotal access and SOS, aka sit or stand, on a Gammill table. Please remember that not all Gammill tables will have both of these features, but let's go check it out. So here I am at the Gammill table, and I'm going to show you the difference between the pivotal access and the SOS. Right now we have the pivotal access pin in. You'll have to take out the pin to do the pivotal access, but also to do the sit or stand. As you see, I have it in loading position, which is I'm just finished loading the quilt. I'm ready to do what I need to do. Some tables actually might be a little more flush right here. That's okay. It's the same theory. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to unlock your little clickers so I have access to everything. I'm going to take my pin out, let that drop, then I'm going to flip my bar, and then that's going to give me access in between. So what that's doing is it's giving me access in between the backing layer and the top layer so I can organize the batting. So I'm going to go over here. It allows me to flatten out the batting, see if I have anything caught in there. And this is kind of really nice when if I'm having, like if I have a big queen or king size quilt on, because you know sometimes the batting will get caught under there. So this makes it really nice if I'm not floating my top and I'm pinning all my layers to access it, flatten everything out, then go back over and then put it into quilting position. Now that I've done that, I'm going to flip it back over. And I'm going to go into what they call quilting position, but it's also called SOS, the sit or stand position. So I will loosen my clicks again because sometimes they get caught back on. Put my pivotal access pin in. Then I'm going to put my clicks back down. Tighten it back up. Now we'll go over here to the top. We're going to pull any wrinkles out, things that might have got stuck in between because it's going to happen. Then we're going to put our clamps on. And normally you would have like 2 clamps on this side and 2 clamps on this side, but we're keeping it easy. Or you can use different things that are out there, quilt clips, things like that, anything that you want to use to kind of make that side tighter for you. So you get your clamps on and you're ready to go. So I'm going to give you just a little bit of history on the sit or stand. So the sit or stand came out in 2004-ish to be able to add on to a table. And the reason that Gammill came out with that back in 2004 is because they were trying to make it easier for you to sit and do some sewing, whether you weren't able to stand or whether you just were doing so much custom work you just wanted to take a break. So back then they had a drafting chair and a mat. You can get a drafting chair anywhere now, but the idea was that you could get up on the chair and then you could go right underneath with your knees so you can see that. Scoot to wherever you need to be, and then the machine was right here accessible. So that sit or stand is still very important today because it lets us have quick, fast, low access to our quilting area. So that's kind of nice. So that is the difference between pivotal access on your table and sit or stand on your table. Thanks everyone.